Hey guys, it's Charles Austin here with Liquid Blue Cabarete in Cabarete, Dominican Republic. I do got my helmet on, I do got my specs on, and also some of the protective gear. But today we wanted to film because it is a classic day here in Cabarete. It's blowing around 15 to 18 knots, I would say. As you can see behind me, there's already some kiters here. There's a wing foiler, we got Rulo out there. And this is what I wanted to show to everyone that's sort of thinking to come down to Cabarete. If they're thinking to do it this summer, or for example, next winter or summer, we have over 300 days of wind here in Cabarete that are above around 8 to 10 knots, which means it's almost rideable every single day here. And this spot has all types of conditions. Right now, you can see it's pretty flat behind me. It's not that strong. Some days though, could be a totally different story. It could be huge waves, super strong wind. We have a wind range of, let's say, 10 up to 25 knots, sometimes even past that with the gusts, because we have both trade winds and thermal winds here in Cabarete. But the thing is this, is that if you're thinking to come down for wind sports, the best time is summertime. I know that's sort of a conflict for some people because in summer, the weather's super nice in Europe, Canada, States, most places in the Northern Hemisphere. For the guys in the South, Chile, Argentina, all these guys are coming up because it's the winter time there. But it is the windiest time for us here in Cabarete. Guaranteed wind, you don't even have to look at the forecast. All you need is maybe enough wings to cover yourself from the light winds in the morning up to the medium winds in the afternoon, and then super strong winds in the late afternoon. Because like it goes, it'll go up from maybe around 10 to 12 knots early in the morning, and it'll just start picking up, and then sort of reach its peak around 3 or 4, where it's gonna be blowing 20, 25 knots. So then how does winter look like? Winter, it's a bit lighter winds, where we're gonna have wind of around 12 to 20 knots, but it's still a good time to come down because there's gonna be a little bit more movement on the tourism-wise. You know, Cabarete is not just a place where you have wind sports, but you also have nightlife, bars, other activities, tennis, horseback riding, all types of things that you can do throughout the year, which make it a place that in reality, whether you come summer or winter, it's good times, spring and fall as well. But of course, most people have most of their time off one of those 2 times of the year. So in any case, I am gonna leave you with a view, a classic view of Cabarete. If you look over here, you're gonna see that it is super nice time and place to really be. And this is just classic. You know, we got Yoel going out there right now, and just super classic conditions where we got the kites out, we got the wingers out, and not that many windsurfers, but there's 1, 2, 2 or 3 windsurfers as well, but wing foiling and kiteboarding is definitely taking over. So in any case, guys, I'm gonna leave you with a view of Cabarete. This is Charles Austin here with Liquid Blue Cabarete in Cabarete, Dominican Republic. I know I got all my protective gear on, but I'm about to head out once I give this microphone over to Lex. So all right, have a good one, guys, and I'll leave you with the view.